beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Best Buy credit card. So they have a credit card and they have the Visa card. Now, I do not personally have this card, but I did a lot of research for it. So for the people that want to get this credit card, it will be perfect for you guys, so because you guys will know, like, okay, what credit score should I have, what they're going to be looking at. You guys will be able to actually no, but I like that they have the option for having the store card or the Visa card, and then also you guys will get like you guys will have the points and cash back for your gas. I know somebody in my comments said, "Hey, Rakita, like, what do you have any other options for gas credit cards?" And I was like, "Oh, well, maybe you should do the BJ's, or maybe you should get the Menards card because you can use that, or maybe you can get the Wawa card." But this one is actually going to give you a lot back on your gas, so it's a great card for that. But you got to get the Visa to be able to get that back, because technically you can't use the store card anywhere else. But when you guys apply for this card, they're going to give you an option. They're going to say, "Hey, do you want to get the store card or you want to get the Visa card?" It seems as if people are getting a higher limit when they're picking a store card, which is normal. When you're getting a Visa card, you guys are going to have a lower credit limit, because you can't use your store card everywhere, which means you're not really going to max it out too tough. So let's go ahead and look at this approval that I have found on the previous video I did about this credit card too. So somebody said, "I just got the Best Buy Visa. They got approved for $2,000. They said they love it so far. I'm always purchasing technology." Me too. I just started building my credit this year, and I have a 654, and I just got a car in August. Life is good. Laughing out loud. Life is good. Yes, I like that. That is really good. So I'm guessing too, I'm not sure if she's at the 654 before this one started reporting, but I will suggest that you guys do have a higher credit score, especially if you guys want to make sure you get approved for the credit card. So if she have a 654, I would say try to have at least a 660 though. You know, we don't know the total situation, why she got approved, but try to have at least a 660. And let's go ahead and look at this credit card. So it looked like a survey had popped up, but no thanks. I'm not looking to um, take a survey. And you guys know that Best Buy, they always have sales. So they have a 4-day sale right now. When you guys get the card, you can use your card to participate in their sales. But they have games, TVs, computer, it's Best Buy, you guys. They have a lot there. They have toys, they have like the smart home security, they got small appliances, headphones, PC gaming, sound bars, speakers, and streaming devices, electric transportation. They have the fitness. They have the wearable technology like the smartwatches. They have appliances there too, you guys. So they have so many different things that you guys can purchase with your Best Buy credit card. But like I said too, you guys are going to get a higher limit if you guys choose the store card and not choose the Visa. So let's go ahead and click right here on Learn More, because if you apply for the credit card, you guys are going to get that 10% back. So let's go ahead and click Learn More so you guys can see like the full details on what it is. So you guys are going to get that 10% back in rewards on your first day of purchases. So when you're approved for the car on your first day of purchases, you guys are going to get that 10% back. I would not suggest, like some of the other credit cards I've been talking about, a lot of them say, "Oh, we're going to give you this back on your first purchase." A lot of these cards, you got to use that card like that same day you are approved. So do not try to get approved late at night. I believe it's still going to be good for tomorrow if you do it late at night. But know what you want to purchase. Like, don't just get it because you want to get it. Kind of know what you want to purchase. So that way you'll know you're going to get that 10% back and you're not going to mess that up. Now, this list right here is for just the store. This right here is for the store cards. And then this right here is going to be if you guys have that Visa card. So they have flexible financing options. You guys seen that also with the Amazon card that they had, the flexible financing options. And that's so that you guys you can see right here the financing offers. You guys will have like special financing basically. Um, and you guys get 5% back in rewards. And that's if you have the store card or if you guys were to have the Visa. This is the juicy part that I like. You guys get the 3% back in rewards on gas purchases, 2% back on dining and takeout, 2% back on grocery purchases, and 1% back on all your other purchases. So these are going to be in rewards, you guys, and they do not charge an annual fee. And their APR, they're saying their credit line and APR is going to be the same for both cards. But I just see that people are getting approved for a higher amount when they have the store card. So, keep that in mind, you guys. And these are remember the financing, they have like the multiple payments, pay over time with the low monthly payments. That's their financing option. If you guys don't do their financing option, then you guys will be able to get that 5% back in rewards, and you guys will get a $5 reward certificate for every $100 that you spend, basically. So you guys are going to get that reward certificate. And here is something that you guys can kind of see how their financing is working. So you guys can see they have the 24-month financing on hearing aid purchases. So that's going to be for $699 and up. So you guys will have the 24-month financing for that. And then you guys will get the Xbox Series bundle for $17, and that's going to be basically 0% APR. And that's going to be for 24 months of payment. So that's kind of how their special financing is working. They have like a special 18-month financing for appliances. If you guys want to get something for outside, for your yard, then they have things like that. They have the 18 months there. If you guys wanted some for your home theater, they have 24 months. Exercise, 24 months. Unlocked phone, you guys have 24 months on that also. But when you guys apply for a credit card with Best Buy, and you guys don't have the limit that you want, try to see if you can call to see if you can get a higher limit. I have heard a lot of people did that. They called in, they didn't like what they got, so they called and they actually asked for a higher limit. They was actually able to get a higher limit. If for some reason you can't get approved for this credit card, it's a credit card like that you really, really want, check out my 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. I definitely have that available for you guys. If you guys check it out, you guys will get a free dispute letter to remove accounts from your credit reports. You guys will also get a free inquiry removal letter. So that's going to help you remove those inquiries from your credit reports, and then also give you a letter for collection companies. So if you have collections and credit reports, then you guys can definitely check this out and send that letter in. And I have gotten great results from it. Personally, like I had a collection company that actually beat in court using that letter. So definitely check it out. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.